Today we are going to learn how to check whether property or key exists in object. Now let's get started. Here you can see I have created a person object with properties name, age, salary and address. Now let's get started. Here if you are sure that your variable is always an object, then you can use this any of the method which I am going to explain you now. If you're not sure about the variable, that your variable is always not an object, then wait till the end of this video. I will tell you how to handle those cases. First let's complete the case where your variable is an object. For that what you need to do is, first let me write console.log. Here I want to check whether my object is having age property or not. For that first I need to type age, then I'm going to use in operator, then I'm going to type the object name. Here my object name is person. That's it. Now if I try to run my code again, I should see true. Here you can see it is showing me true. Now let's move into second method. For that you need to use your object, and your object should, your variable should be an object, then only it will work, because we are trying to access the object function. The function name is as own property, has own property, and here you need to pass the property which you are trying to access. For this example I'm going to access name property, and I have name, so I should get true. Let me try to run my code again. Now I'm getting true and it is working fine. Let's try to change the property which we don't have in our object, that is age 1 and name 1. Now we should see false. Now let's move into bonus. Bonus is that if you're not sure about the variable you're using is an object or not, on that case you need to add two more condition to above solution. What's the condition is, first you need to check the type, that is type of person should be equal to object. This is the first condition you need to have. Along with this you need to have another condition, that is you need to verify that your variable is not equal to null. Now let's try to use and I'm going to update this um, person variable to null, so that we can replicate that scenario and I can show that to you, so that we can be sure that our code is working even if our variable is not an object. Now let me try to run my code again. This time I should not see an error, it should work fine. Here you can see it is working fine. Now let's comment out the second method and comment this first method. Now if I try to run my code, you will see that we will get an error. Here you can see it is showing us the error. It is because like cannot read properties of null, reading as own property. If you use this condition which I have explained you just before, then you will not get this error. Let me try to paste this one. We should not see the error. Now let me try to run my code again. This time it should not show us the error, it should show us false. Here you can see it is showing false. Thanks for watching.